Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Daily. I'm Anna, and with me is David. Today's episode is perfect for beginners who want to learn how to talk about their daily routine in simple, natural English.
That's right, Anna. Talking about your daily routine is one of the best ways to practice English because it's something we all do every day. You'll learn how to describe your morning, afternoon, and evening using real, everyday English.
Exactly. When someone asks you, "What's your daily routine?" or "What do you do every day?" you should be able to answer smoothly. So today, we'll go step by step through a full day, from waking up to going to bed, and show you how to use natural English sentences. Conversation 1. Morning routine. Let's start with the morning. Here's a short example. I usually wake up around 7 a.m. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed. Then, I make some breakfast, usually toast and coffee. After that, I check my phone or read the news before leaving for work.
That's a perfect example. You can use simple verbs like wake up, brush, take, get, make, and leave. These are all common daily routine verbs.
And notice the words usually and around. They help make your sentences sound natural. You don't need to be exact all the time. You can say around 7 a.m. or usually in the morning. Conversation 2. Afternoon routine. All right, let's move to the afternoon. Here's another short example. I start work at 9 a.m. and finish around 5 p.m. At lunchtime, I often eat with my coworkers. After lunch, I go back to work and check emails or attend meetings. When I finish, I usually go to the gym or run some errands.
Perfect. These sentences show how to describe what you do during work hours. Phrases like I start work, I finish work, and I often eat with my coworkers are very natural.
And the phrase run some errands is useful. It means doing small tasks like buying groceries, going to the bank, or picking something up. Conversation 3. Evening routine. Let's talk about the evening now. In the evening, I like to relax. I cook dinner, watch some TV, or listen to music. Sometimes I call my friends or go out for a walk. Before bed, I brush my teeth again, read a little, and then go to sleep around 11 p.m.
That's a very natural evening routine. Notice the use of I like to and sometimes I. These expressions make your English sound friendly and real.
Yes, and you can personalize it. For example, I like to play games, or I sometimes study English before bed. Let's review some of the most common daily routine verbs and phrases you can use every day. Wake up, get up, brush my teeth, take a shower, get dressed, go to work, have lunch, finish work, go home, cook dinner, watch TV, go to bed.
Exactly. You can also use time expressions to sound more fluent, like in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, every day, usually, or sometimes.
All right, let's do a quick speaking practice. I'll say a sentence, repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I take a shower and get dressed. I go to work at 9. I have lunch with my coworkers. I go home in the evening. I cook dinner and watch TV. I go to bed around 11.
Well done! Repeat this every day to build your speaking confidence. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
Wrap up. So today, we learned how to describe a full day, morning, afternoon, and evening, using natural English phrases.
That's right. These are the sentences you'll use in real conversations, whether you're introducing yourself, talking to a friend, or practicing with a teacher.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share this podcast with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what does your daily routine look like?
Thanks for joining us on Speak English Daily.
See you next time, and remember, speak English every day.